The universe. A vast expanse of space and matter. It includes all that we see and all that we know. Since the beginning of time, we have wondered how it came to be. A gloriously orchestrated plan? A chance series of events? Or something much, much dumber?
It's a beautiful day out here on the ice as father meets daughter in a quest for hockey supremacy.
It's Peaches meets Manny.
Mammoth meets mammoth.
Mano a mano.
Mima me muma.
Mama me mimi.
Will you two quit it?
Okay.
Meanie.
The blazing mammoth takes it on the breakaway. There's never been a player so tough, so graceful.
So desperate to score.
He fakes right, he fakes left.
He fakes knowing how to play. What's wrong? Lose something?
Hey, what's that stink I smell out there? It's Manny! Hey, it's Manny! Woo! You stink!
Okay, Fuzzball, let's see what you got.
You asked for it. Yes! She dominates! Again.
Oh, please, I went easy on you. That's called good parenting.
Yeah, right. Face it, I rule the ice now.
Oh, you talk a big game, Hotshot. All right, how about best of three?
Woohoo! Yes! Touchdown! Wait, no, that's not right. Not touchdown. What is it? Hole in one! Whoa! Whoa!
Julian!
Whoa! Oh, sorry.
Honey, I scored! Did you see me?
Yeah, and you were amazing. Whoa! Whoa!
Careful!
Hey. Oh, the ice is really icy. It's like supersized, extra value icy. But I'm getting better, right? Whoa.
Okay, we'll play later.
So, she whooped your butt again, huh?
And with a butt that size, that's a whole lot of whooping.
Nobody was whooped. There was no whooping. It's just a loving father sharing some strategy with his only daughter.
Didn't know sucking was a strategy.
Okay, it's our turn.
Let's show him how it's done.
You're going down, eh?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Da-da-da-da! For you, my mom-in-law-to-be, Buttercups, nature's sunshine.
Isn't sunshine nature's sunshine?
Aw, thank you, Julian. It's been so long since anyone's given me flowers. But you're marrying our daughter. You don't have to keep bringing us presents.
But it makes me happy. And for you, my guru, my rock, my main mammoth, to you, I give the greatest gift of all.
Wait, what are you doing?
Come on, bro, Dad. Bring it in. Oh, I can feel your heart beating.
Okay, that's enough of that.
You better get used to it. They'll be living right next door.
Come on, Julian. Wanna go?
Actually, weren't you gonna help me with the thing?
Oh, right. The thing. Gotta do the thing.
I can do the thing.
No!
It's a girl thing.
Hey, why don't you go do a guy thing? You know, you don't spend nearly enough time with your friends.
I don't?
I'll see you later. On this special day.
Okay.
So, have you told them about our decision yet?
No, I'm waiting for the right time.
Come on, Romeo, walk with me. I'm gonna watch some butterflies come out of their cocoons.
Whoa, really?
No.
Goodbye, sweetie. Mwah, mwah.
Aw, I remember when Manny and I used to be like that.
Not me. Love them and leave them and take half of everything. That's my motto.
Mi amor, so many ladies have tried and failed to strap a saddle on Sid the Stallion. But I want to share everything with you. You're the wind beneath my fleas, the algae of my eye. Will you be my mate for life?
Sydney, where are you?
Ow! I need to ask you something. Will you marry...
Sid, I'm gonna stop you right there. I'm breaking up with you.
What? But I planned our whole future. Our wedding? Our kids? Mommy. Our burial plots?
How you doing?
I even hired a band. No, not yet.
Are you crazy? We've only had one date. It lasted 14 minutes.
Yes, but it felt like 20.
Ugh, I can't. A ring? I mean, I like the ring, but no, I can't. You're too clingy.
How is this clingy?
And by the way, you look nothing like your profile picture. Francine, you gotta start dating outside of your species.
Franny, we can work this out. Is this about the bikini? Ow! I didn't know it was poison ivy. Uh-oh. Franny! Franny, help! Somebody! Is it the eyes that hurt? Or my soul? Ow! Definitely the eyes.
Women.
Yeah, women. What about them?
I don't get them. Like Ellie. Life's great with her. There's no surprises, nothing ever changes. But then today, she giggled. Does she ever just giggle?
Please don't hate me!
Shira's not a big giggler.
Well, Ellie giggled. And then she wiggled. Hee. Boom.
Don't ever do that again.
I have no idea why she's acting so weird.
Women.
Women.
Hello?
And speaking of weird...
Anybody there? Oh! Marco! Polo! Oh, hi, Manny. Ugh, your breath is awful.
What happened to you?
Oh, nothing. Everything's great. Fabulous. Zippity-dippity.
Okay, let me guess. She dumped you.
What is wrong with me? Everybody has somebody. And all I've got is my boyish good looks in this mariachi band. So itchy.
Come on, let's get you cleaned up.
All I wanted is true love. Is that too much to ask?
Why is it so quiet?
Because the world is mourning my loss.
Ellie? Peaches? Where is everyone?
Surprise!
Huh?
Happy anniversary, honey!
Anniversary? Oh no. That's the thing.
Okay, now it's your turn, bro, Dad.
Yeah! We want to see what you got, Ellie!
Manny!
Manny! Manny! Manny! Manny!
Hey, right. So, how about another hand for Ellie?
Yeah.
He forgot!
I feel so bad for Ellie.
Ellie,
Oh, he didn't forget. That's how big Manny's love is for her.
Nice save with the light show. Wait, you didn't do this? Then who did?
Oh, Manny. I was so afraid you'd forgotten. But you lit up the sky for me? How'd you do it?
Well, a magician never reveals his secrets.
Aw, thank you.
I keep picturing our own kid in there. He'd be the best one.
I think you meant she.
He.
Either way, we've been over this, Diego. Kids are afraid of us.
Yeah, but why?
Are they gonna eat us?
Hi, kids! I even smiled this time.